Hi everyone, my name is Leanne and I welcome you to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also click that notification bell so that whenever I will upload a new video, you will be notified and so that you will be the first one to see my video. Alright, so now, what are we gonna talk? Well, I think you know already. It's in the title below. So now, meron kasi nagtanong sa akin, kung pwede ba makapag-trabaho ang mga hindi education graduate or hindi teacher graduate sa Thailand. So pag-usapan natin ang lahat na yan. Pero bago yan, gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm very thankful sa lahat ng mga na-subscribe dati pa, and thank you so much for coming back with me, coming back to my channel all the time. At saka ngayon ay nandito na talaga ako. Last few months, I was very busy with schoolworks kasi we had a competition, and you know that one already. It was in my vlog and my uploaded videos before. So now that it is over, it's finally over, now I can start again a video like this one. So now, basahin natin yung tanong. Yung tanong pala guys, is Bisaya. See, I am a Bisaya, so I understand it. And she saw my video about this, how to find work or how to find work in Thailand. So she saw that and she sent me a message asking this one. Basahin natin. Hi Miss Leanne, new subs here, hehehe. Bisaya pud ko from Dumaguete. Pangutana lang ko, pwede mag-apply as teacher bisan dili education ang nahuman. Wala ko experience for teaching. Thank you sa pagtubag. God bless. Alright, so that is a very good question. So guys, if you have any more questions, please comment down below or send me a message personally in Facebook. I will read that and I will answer those questions. So now, her question is, I will just translate that. Her question was, if those who are not education graduate and no experience, can they find a work here in Thailand? Well, for me personally, my answer to that is yes. Yes, you can work here, but there are some limitations. So what are those limitations? Okay, first, for me, para sa akin, I'm not an education graduate. I graduated management and accounting. So wala talaga akong education background too. I had no experience in teaching, but I have a little experience in teaching because way back right after graduation, nag-missionary po ako doon sa isla ng Micronesia. Alam niyo ba? Micronesia. Okay. Federated States of Micronesia. Maybe I will put here. So yung map dito, ayan. It's a very small island. Composed of small islands in Pacific Islands. It's near Guam. So I work there as a volunteer accountant. But if wala kaming teacher, ako ang nag-cover sa teacher. So I had experience and I also teach there from kindergarten until 12th grade. So, ganyan. So before ako pumunta dito, meron pala akong experience. Pero, I am not an education graduate. So, bakit ko nasabi na pwede kang makapagturo dito kahit wala kang experience? Kasi, my sister, she just came here and I have also cousins na pumunta dito. I have also friends who came here without any teaching experience and they're not education graduates. So my answer to your question is very simple. Yes, you can find a work here, but I would say the education department here in Thailand, they limit your teaching here because sa mga sa mga hindi education graduate, they are going only to give you 2 years temporary teaching license, or temporary teaching. So that is 2 years. So now, pero for me, bakit ako nakapag-work dito ng ng ilang taon? Kasi 7 years na ako dito. Bakit ako nakapag-work dito? Hindi naman ako education graduate na supposedly yung mga pala, yung temporary teaching dito, yung one letter, kasi from the Krusapa, they call it Krusapa here, the parang Department of Education sa atin, sa Philippines. Ang Krusapa, bibigyan ka ng one letter, and that letter is good for 2 years, 2 years temporary teaching license here in Thailand. So now, pag binigyan ka niyan, 1, at saka 2, 3 letters. So 3 letters, each letters 2 years yan siya. So 2, 2, 2. So you are allowed here to teach for 6 years even though wala kang education graduate. But the policy kept on changing. Minsan na-change nila. Ngayon ngayon parang 4 years na lang yata, or so hindi ko alam, parang 4 years na lang. So may narinig kasi ako na 4 years na lang daw. So ngayon, ano ang gagawin mo kapag nangyayari yun? Yung education department ng Thailand, they require you to get education units. Nung dati, sa education units, magkukuha ka ng education units, 18 units. Parang 18 units daw yung dati. Pero ngayon, narinig ko na parang nag-iba na, naging 23, at saka recently, naging 26 na daw. Yun nga, kailangan mo ng 26 units ng education, 26 education units para mabigyan ka ng 5 years teaching license here in Thailand. 5 years. So pagkatapos ng 5 years, if you still want to teach here, you can renew that license and teach for another 5 years. So mas advantage kung meron kang 5 years teaching license here in Thailand, because if you have 5 years teaching license here in Thailand, you can move to school. You can move to different schools anywhere you want. Hindi ka na mahihirapan kasi dito every time na mag-move ka sa ibang school, yung 2 years na 2 years na letter or temporary license galing sa Krusapa ay magiging parang wala na yun, totally not available for another school, because that temporary license is only for that school. So yung mga ginagawa ng mga Filipino dito is they enroll to an online school na nag-o-offer ng education ng education degree, kasi diploma of education or diploma of teaching, something like that. So maraming schools from the Philippines na nag-a-accept ng online study program para sa teaching, diploma of teaching. So marami yan. Merong Philippine Christian University, basta marami. So gagawan ko na lang ng video yan sa next ko na video, kasi parang iba na yun eh. So ngayon, ayun, this video is very short, and sana nakatulong ito. It's very direct. Yun, so if you are a 4-degree graduate, a bachelor's degree graduate, but not an education graduate, and you want to come here to Thailand and teach, then maybe so you can find a job here. If you come to Thailand and you want to find job, there are some Filipinos here who didn't have job for 3 months, for 4 months, because they were looking for a school and nobody hires them because it's not season ng hiring ng mga teachers. So if you cannot wait, if you don't have the patience to wait for that right job for you, wala, uwi sa Philippines. Umuwi na yung iba sa Philippines, nag-surrender na sila, nawalan sila ng pag-asa na makahanap ng trabaho dito. At saka meron din namang mga iba na they can find job here in just, you know, a week, days, 2 weeks, a month, like that. And so hindi lahat, hindi iba-iba yung experience, iba-iba yung experience ng lahat ng mga tao dito. So yun lang guys, and I want to thank you everyone for staying with me. Umabot kayo ng 10 minutes more sa pag-watch sa akin. Sana hindi kayo na-bored. At please, subscribe na para next time, kayo ang mauna sa video ko. This is Layan, and I would like to say na please don't lose hope. Dreams will not be dreams forever. Dreams will be true in time, in the right time. So guys, bye for now. See you in my next video.